Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial where we're going to show you how you can insert headers and footers into your PowerPoint presentations and slides in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to Microsoft PowerPoint, open your presentation, navigate, let's say, to the first slide, and let us apply these headers and footers to the first slide and also to the entire presentation. So what you need to do, guys, is navigate to the Insert tab here at the top. And from there, what you want to do is navigate to the text section here and click into header and footer. Next, customize your header and footer settings for a slide, but you can also do that for handouts, for example. So what you want to do is navigate to, for example, include a date and time, for example, for the given slide, or a slide number, or a text for a footer, for example. By clicking into this button, you will see the preview here to the right. So if I enter, let's say, the slide number as well as a custom text, like, I don't know, my presentation or something like that. And here at the bottom, guys, just as I said, you may apply these headers and footers to your entire presentation by selecting apply to all or only to the first slide. So let me do that for the entire presentation. And there you go. Now you see the footer here, the slide number, and if you click into the second page or slide, you will see the same footer, just with a different slide number. And if we actually add also a header, we may, for example, add, for example, well, actually, you can do this for notes here, as you can see. And for handouts, if you navigate to header and select it, you'll be given the opportunity to add a header and to enter the text here. But as you can see, that option is not available for slides. I don't know why, but that's how it is, guys. That's how it works on Microsoft PowerPoint in 2026. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.